Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making the tools ready. Update Google Docs and your keyboard app, then grant microphone permissions so input is allowed. Once done, open or create the document and tap the spot where you want text. Next, bring up your keyboard, use Gboard for best compatibility, and look for the microphone icon. Tap that mic to start streaming your speech into the document. Speak in short phrases at first to confirm the app recognizes your voice. Now focus on dictation technique and control. Speak clearly and use spoken punctuation like period, comma, new line, or new paragraph to structure sentences. This tells the recognizer how to format your text. Make short, deliberate phrases and pause between clauses so corrections are easier. If you need another language, change the keyboard language or microphone input before dictating. To edit while speaking, stop the mic. Tap to select text. To finish, read through the document and manually fix any misrecognitions. Voice typing is fast but not flawless. Once satisfied, use undo or redo for quick fixes, then share or export the file. If voice typing stops working, first confirm microphone permission and correct keyboard selection in settings. Then restart the Docs app. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall the keyboard app like Gboard. If problems persist, reboot your phone. That often restores microphone access and recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.